So if you want to go outside, we're leaving around sale. So if you want to go ahead and head out there, please do. Thank y'all so much for coming.
Do you want me to send it to you? Yeah, sure. Okay, you're good then.
I mean, like, with your hands on it, it's not bad. I feel like on my way.
It's doing it again, look.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. We got good. All right.
We've also got some stuff with induction.
Thank you.
Yeah, mine's not doing it as much. I know that Connor's does it a lot. Mine's like dry today.
Speaking of, you got a little few stray ones. It's not like you're a punk rock or anything like that.
Yeah, mine does not do it well for some reason. I think it's because it's not moisturized well right now, honestly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Can you get me on there?
It shouldn't, but yeah.
Yeah, the faster you go.
Yeah, it's working better for you. You can see it really clearly. You've got like the Einstein
Excellent.
strands.
I look forward to seeing it here. So if I touch somebody, I'll shock them, right?
Yeah, if you like touched him right now, you'd shock him. But it's not bad.
All right, cool, man. All right.
There you go.
See this if I'm having a bad hair day.